Okay, let's learn the zigzag twill. In case of zigzag twill, the repeat size should be even. Whatever the repeat size, if it is 12 into 6 or 16 into 8, in case of vertical it could be 6 into 12 or 8 into 16 or even more. Suppose it could be 10 into 20, it could be 12 into 24. Always the repeat size should be the even number. And suppose in case of horizontal twill, you have taken a repeat size of 12 into 6, and we should take a formula as our wish, but the sum of the formula number would be equal to the weft, the number of weft. Here the weft number is 6, then the formula should be 3 up 3 down, or you can take the formula 4 up 2 down or 5 up 1 down. We have to think that whether the sum of the up and down is equal to the wave number or not. If we take the sum of the wave up and down equal to the wave, then our design would be correct. Suppose we have taken a formula number of 3 up and 3 down, then you should draw it here, 3 up 3 down. As it is twill, there would be a move number 1 in every cases. So the second line would be start from here, 3 up 3 down. The third line would be another move number from the second line, move number 1 from the second line. So 3 up 3 down, 3 up 3 down, 3 up 1 2, and third one 3 up 1 2 3, 3 up 3 down. There is 3 steps in case of zigzag twill. Firstly, we have to divide the largest repeat in the two parts. See here, the largest repeat is 12, so we have divided it with 2. We have taken a board line here, and we have numbered it 1 2 3 4 5 6. And in case of second part, we would repeat the number from the 5 5 4 3 2 1, and the remaining one is 6. The second part would be the fill up the half part. The second condition, we have to fill up the half part according to our formula. And the third step is that we just have to copy paste the formula from here to the second part, and according to this number. Suppose in case of 5, here in the work line of 5, there is one up in the first wave, and the fifth and sixth wave is up, and you should just copy paste the number here. In case of 4, the upper 3 is up, so the upper 3 is up. In case of 3, the upper one is down, and then consecutive 3 wave turn is up. So upper one is down and consecutive 3 wave turn is up. In case of 2, the upper 2 is down and then consecutive 3 is up. Upper 2 is down, then consecutive 3 is up. In case of 1, the lower 3 is up, the lower 3 is up. And in case of 6, the lower 2 is up and upper 1 is up. So let's see what happened in case of zigzag twill. So we can say that it is a combination. In case of zigzag twill, it is a combination of, it is Z twill, you can see, and it is S twill. So it's a combination of Z and S twill. So what we have learned here, we have learned what is the horizontal zigzag and how we have to draw. See, it's a combination of Z and S twill. So when you will do the vertical twill, then the repeat size of, in case of vertical twill, what would be the repeat size? In case of vertical twill, the repeat size would be, suppose 6 into 12, because 12 is the number of weft, and the design would be vertical. Design would be vertical like that. Then the weft would be the 12 and warp would be the 6. Then we should divide the largest repeat. Here the largest repeat is 12, so we should divide the largest repeat in 2 parts. So the numbering should be like that. 1 2 3 4 5 6, and then you should start from the second to last, 5 4 3 2 1 and 6. And in case of warp, the repeat number is 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6. So dear students, now it's a task to follow the same construction and the same step. Suppose here uh, we are doing the vertical twill, vertical zigzag twill. And what we have learned, we divide the large repeat first, so we have to divide it here, and we should take a formula which would be the equal, the sum of the formula would be equal to the number of wave. So here in, suppose we have taken the formula 4 up to down, so 4 plus 2 6. So the first part, highest number is 6, so we have taken 4 up to down, 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 and 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4. So just now our task is to copy paste the first part in the second part according to the number. So what we have found in the 5, the first one is down and then consecutive 1 2 3 4 4 up. In case of 4, the first 2 is down, and the consecutive 4 is up. In case of 3, the first one is up, and consecutive 3 is down. Sorry, consecutive 3 would be up. In case of 2, the first 2 is up, then 2 gap, then consecutive 2 is up. In case of 1, the first 3 is up, then 2 is down, then 1. In case of 6, the first 4 is up. So what we have found, it's a combination of S and Z twill. So it is the vertical twill. I think you have learned it well. Thank you very much.